Hello and a very warm welcome from us all here at Perrys Mansfield. I'm Mark Hayes. Today's walk around video is this beautiful 1 litre EcoBoost Ford EcoSport. Magnificent alloys, finished in moondust silver. Parking sensors around the back to aid you in all your rear parking needs. So an audible beep telling you exactly how far you are away from any object. And on the display screen in the front, it actually shows you where the object is. Isofix child seat anchor points there in the back. There's 2 of those, and if you've got an Isofix child seat or are thinking of buying one, they're a lot more secure as they attach straight to the chassis of the car rather than wrapping seat belts around. Lumbar support and an armrest to keep the driver comfortable even on the longest of journeys. Got a 12 volt power supply, USB connectivity and an audio line in for your older iPods and MP3 players. The USB connectivity can be used for charging your device and also popping a memory stick in there with your favourite music on from your computer at home, and then you can play it directly through the stereo system. Air conditioning, CD, radio, auxiliary input, phone for Bluetooth telephony and for Bluetooth audio streaming. So again, you can stream music directly from your device, or if you use a streaming service like Napster, Spotify, Apple Music, etc., you can do that as well. Volume control for both Bluetooth and audio, and also controls for radio station presets and your Bluetooth telephony itself. In the centre there you can see enhanced voice command, so you can command most of the features of the car just using your voice. Power to all 4 mirrors on the all 4 windows on the right hand side. Electronic door mirror adjustment, which are also heated. Front and rear fog lights we can see just through the gap there next to the key, and a beautiful car. Travel along to see us, folks, it will be worth your while. We know that because we scrutinise the market on a daily basis to make sure you are getting a bargain. Also saves the embarrassment of haggling as well. Also, the car's been prepared by our Ford main dealer technicians, award-winning customer service and second to none aftercare. So thanks for watching, we'll see you soon, bye bye for now.